Great day today at the CUC West Bay Sunrise 5K. It's a great event that supports Sunrise Adult Training Center and Cayman Athletics. Whole cross-section of the island is here, from the runners to the walkers to the people from the center. It's great.
Push!
I am enthusiastic about this run this morning. It's a good turnout and the weather is great. If you're not in the CUC run this year, make sure you're into it for 2026.
I'm Esmond Brown. I won the CUC 5K here. Really happy to be able to support this event.
Thank you to CUC for such a great initiative, from Hampton by Hilton Hotel and Miss Piper's Kitchen and Gardens.
Thank you once again to everyone involved in making this event a success. Your support is greatly appreciated. We look forward to continuing our journey as we prepare for our 5K next year, which we hope will be bigger and better as we celebrate the company's 60th anniversary in 2026.